Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our Power of RPA YouTube channel. Today we are going to discussing about how we can automate any one web application using Power Automate Desktop. So before going to that, please give your support for making more videos. Please subscribe our channel, give your support. So what are all the things we have to discussing about today? So see, our automate web automation. We are going to automate rpachallenge.com using the dynamic selector. See how input file looks like. This is the input file where you can get this input file, how you can automate all those things we are going to doing using Power Automate Desktop step by step. So let's see how we can do that. First, before going to automating this process, what are the things we have to enable it? Already we posted how you can install that Power Automate Desktop, how you can install that extension, everything we have posted in our previous video. If you are beginner or if you don't know how we can do that, please go to our Power of RP YouTube channel, go to playlist there, Power Automate Beginner for Desktop tutorial is available, so you can watch that video. Now see, we have to go to manage extension. There you can see Microsoft Power Automate. There you can go to details, enable, allow incognito mode, allow all URLs. Okay, once it is done, okay, you can close this. Now what are the things we are going to do it? See, we have to launch one external instance. So before going to this, where you can get that input file, just go to rpachallenge.com. You can go to rpachallenge.com. There you can download that input. See, download Excel. You can download it. This Excel file already I have downloaded. Okay, see. So once you downloaded this file, okay, how your input looks like, I will show you. See, see, this is our input file. What are all the fields we have? First name, last name, company name, role of company, address, email, phone number. See, if it is now it is in first name, company name, first name, last name, phone number, role of company, company name, address, email. If you are referencing this page, that time this field will change automatically. Okay, see now it updated address, first name, email, company name. So it is field is changing dynamically. So how we can automate this process using Power Automate Desktop? Let's see, we can go and do it. Okay, this is our Power Automate Desktop. I'm going to opening that new workflow, RPA, RPA challenge web automation. Okay, so I'm going to create our workflow is getting ready. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, couple of seconds. See, this is our new workflow. There you can see input, output, variable, and flow of variable. What are all the action items we have? These are all the things we can see inside Power Automate. Okay, so now we can see how we can automate using the Power Automate Desktop using Chrome. Okay, first, before going to that, what we have to do first? First, we have to launch that external instance, right? So I'm going to launching the we have Excel. Click on launch instance, drag and drop in main workflow. See, our variable proceed is Excel instance. There we have two options with the blank document or open following the document. I am selecting open the following document where I have that input file. So we have that input file in our input folder. I am copy that path. What is the shortcut of copy path? Shift right click. Okay, you can paste it. We have to remove double quotation. Okay, once you remove this one, you can just click and save. So now our Excel launch instance is completed. Next, what we have to do after launching the instance, what we are going to do? We have to get first row or first column in Excel worksheet, right? So for this, I am using get first row. We have two activity. Get first free column row from the Excel worksheet. Get first free row column from Excel worksheet. Okay. So here we can drag and drop get first free column or row in the Excel workbook. Here you can see that extension we have Excel extension. Here variable to proceed first free column, first free row. Okay. So after getting that first free row or column, after that what we have to do it? Here we can do it. Okay. Read data from Excel. So we have to read that Excel file, right? So we are going to reading that Excel file. Read from Excel worksheet. Here what are the things we are going to cover? See, starting column is A and row should be 1. Okay. So in case I want to use any other, here our data table is Excel data. Okay. See, now our read data from Excel activity is configuration done. Okay. Here now it's done. But I gave that retrieve the data from single cell. But we want to use value from the range of the cell. Okay. So here we already created end column, right? So here first free column, then first row, free row. Okay. So click on save it. Okay. Once it is done, what we have to do it? We have ordered, but I want to read my first column minus 1 and sorry minus 1 and the row also should be minus 1. Okay. So after adding this, so our Excel instance process is completed. We have to close the instance, right? We have to close Excel. So there if you are drag and dropping, automatically it will select that instance. If we want to save that document, you can Click on save document or save document as you can select that also. Time being I am selecting do not save. So now Excel instance, how we are launching, how we are getting that Excel instance from column or row, and we are reading that Excel, then we are closing that Excel. Okay, so now what we have to do it? We have to launch our application, web application. After that, we have to fill input data file Excel from Chrome application. So first, what we have to do it? Click on launch, sorry, search launch. There you can find out lots of activity. So now we are going to launching the Chrome. Okay. So here you can see launch instance, our variable produced browser. If you want rename it, just double click it here. You can rename it. Timing I am as it is keeping. Okay. So we have to initialize our web URL. Okay. So you can copy this URL, go to Power Automate desktop, paste it. Okay. So now our Chrome launch instance is done. Okay. Now what we have to do it? So we have to identify what are all the things we are going to filling in this web application. In that Excel, what are all the field we have checked? First name, last name, phone number, role of company, address, company name, email. These are all the 7 fields we have in Excel. Okay, so now we can have to automate, right? So click on UA element tab, click on add UA element. Okay, now you can go and identify that input text box. Control left click. Okay, how many input field we have? 7, right? So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we have to click on done. If you are thinking why we are indicating all element into single input box. So we are, why means we are going to using that dynamic selector. You can click rename it. This is for first name. Okay, this is for second name. Sorry, this is for first name, then last name. This is for last name. So if you want better, you can open your something wrong. Better you can open your input file. Okay, you can copy and paste that otherwise that input file last name. After that we are going to create company name. Okay, so open Power Automate desktop. Sorry, I was unfortunately a studio. So company name. After that, what role of company? Okay, so you can rename it role of company. Then you can open Excel, rename it as address. So we have rest of the 2 fields, email. Okay, so go to Power Automate, right click, field 6, rename it, then last one is phone number. Okay, these are all the 7 fields we are going to entering in our rphchallenge.com. Okay, now our naming convention is done. So we have indicated each and every element in same input box, but we are going to try dynamic selector. Okay, 1 minute. See, we are going to using that dynamic selector. So how we can do that? Okay, go to your variables. Okay, click on this 3 dot, click on edit. Okay, there you can see text editor. See, these are all the customized selector we have, sorry, default selectors we have. We are going to using the dynamic selector. Enable that dynamic selector. Okay, what we are going to type it here, how it will work looks like. Okay, so see what inside div contains first name greater than input. Okay, so we are going to, sorry, okay, let's type it here, div open bracket, sorry, colon, div colon contains open bracket single quotation. Okay, now after this greater than input. Okay, so inside double quotation what field we are going to enter? So first we are going to entering first name. Okay, let me show you, copy and paste it. Div contains first name greater than input. Okay, 1 minute. Now we have added div contains first name input like this. You can copy, so you can copy this one. Okay, save this, then we are going for last name, right? Edit, go to text editor, paste it here. We are going to entering the last name, right? So click on save, then company name. So edit, click on text editor. Okay, go to here, company name, then, oh sorry, 1 minute, copy this one, paste it, then go to here, what we are going to do it, company name, go to here, control V, company name. Okay, click on save, then go to role of company, edit that selector, click on text editor, go to your browser. Now we are going to entering role of company. Okay, okay, control V, looks like, copy, copy and paste it. C. Next address, go to edit selector, go to text editor, go to click. Now we are going to entering that address field. So go to Power Automate desktop, remove this, paste it, address. Now go to email, go to edit, go to here, Control C, Control V, you go to email tab, so copy and paste that email. Why I am doing like this means, so we don't want to do any mismatch for that naming or uppercase lowercase. That is the reason I am directly copy and pasting from our website. So go to here, go to notepad, div contains, remove this and copy to here phone number, then go to first name, remove this, select, paste. Maybe not copied properly what we have to enter. Okay, go to Power Automate, paste it. Now our selector is ready. Now once all this entered all input field, what we have to do? We have to click on submit button, right? So go to here, click left click, submit, then go to rename it, submit, open, selector. So unrelevant selector I am going to disable. These are other things, it's common. So I am going to deselect. So only I want submit button. So here you can see class and type of value should be submit. So button, you can see button button is submit, then you have to type submit, value also should be same. Now click. So now our dynamic selector we have configured, means dynamic selector we have passed. Now what we are going to do? So inside for each, inside for each, first what you are going to iterate the value, Excel data current item should be same. Okay, so current item means row, what are the row wise. Okay, so inside this we are going to populating the text, right? Populate text using the browser web page. So populate text field in web page. So now browser is our output. Value to proceed we already saw in the at launch Chrome activity. Now what is we are going to do? First name. Okay, inside first name, what is the Excel row? Excel instance. So here we have to pass our variable, right? First name. So like this we have to pass first name to up to phone number. So 7 fields we have, right? So now 1 is added, 1, 2. So go to here, sorry, I use now last name, click Excel data, 1 minute. Parameter function name Excel instance is invalid. Let's see. Function Excel instance not valid. So go to here. So now you can remove this. Remove the copy. Save. Now our issue getting resolved. So now what I did, I am passing that current item, okay, for first name. So if you are getting confusion, open for each, rename it like Excel row or row of Excel, row of Excel, save it. Now we have to change this one, copy this one, close this row of Excel. Inside we have to paste this one, remove this current item. See, now we are good. Copy, save it. Syntax error. What is the syntax? Sorry, double syntax. Okay. Now we have to add another 6 field like this. So go to variable, then last name, go to here, paste it. First name you can change it as a last name, save it. Not the syntax here. Okay, Control A, Control C. Now 2 fields is done. Next 3. Go to what is the next company name. Control V. Paste it as company name. Okay. So click on save. Next, fourth field is role in company. So role in company. So how to add it? So I'm going to web page for naming, proper naming, caption. I am copy and pasting everything from browser. Paste it. Save. Now 4 instances done. Now 5th one. So role in company is done. So next address. Go to text editor. Set what we have to do it. Go to here. Row of Excel. Inside row of Excel. Open, close, close. Sorry. Okay. So now control Control C, open on text editor, paste it. Now this is on error. So now it's no need. Now which one we have selected? Set role in company. It is address. Okay. We have to pass address. Control C, go to Power Automate, pass that variable address. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6. Go to here, go to here, address is done. Then email, copy and paste this. Paste it. Now pass the email. Click on save. Now drag and drop same web page window. Go to here. Finally came to our end field. You can see row of Excel in phone number. Better you can copy and paste it here, so you will not get any error. So phone number, it is came for, okay, row of Excel phone number. Okay, so after entering this 7 field, what we have to do, we have to submit. Okay, so click UAM and 1 minute. So we are not able to see. Click, let's see. Press but press button on web page, drag and drop that activity, browser instance, go to scroll down, click on submit, save. So after entering all those things, we have to close our Chrome. So use close web browser save. So now let's see whether our workflow is running fine or not. We are facing any issues, we can try to resolve it. Click and run. Now our workflow is getting ready. It's running, initializing all steps. See, status running 11 seconds. Now launching the instance. Then now it is closing, it is going for launching that URL. So it will wait for until that the page is fully loading or not. It will wait. Our website is launched. Now it is, see, we are column property first name not found. Why? Let's see why it is happening. Okay, one, nothing, just I have closed everything. So now let's rerun it again. So it is status parsing running 8 seconds. So it is launching the Excel. Yeah, it is okay. Okay, so get first row. Let's see. Yes, our workflow is running fine. Solutions, see, it is entering up to what are all the values we have in last row. So it will enter all values in all fields. After that, it will Submit it. So let's fire until complete this workflow. So if you are a beginner or if you are going to learn Power Automate Desktop newly, then this channel for you. We will post lots of videos in upcoming days. So please you will go give your support for making more videos. Please encourage us. Hopefully everyone is getting basic knowledge of Power Automate Desktop in our channel. If you want advanced knowledge or if you have any suggestion, if we have to improve anything from our end, feel free reach out to us. My LinkedIn ID I have given in below description, and this URL also I mentioned what are the steps I have followed, that thing also I have posted in description. If you have any doubt, if you have any comments, if you want improve from our end anything, please feel free reach out to us. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.